If you're on the hunt for a powerful mid-budget smartphone that packs a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, a massive 7500 mAh battery, and all of this at an unbeatable price, then Nokia has something truly special for you. Say hello to the Nokia Magic Max 5G, a smartphone that's about to redefine what mid-range devices can do. So, if you're thinking about grabbing this beast, make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because today, we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. First up, let's talk about the display. The Nokia Magic Max 5G boasts a stunning 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that's as smooth as butter. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate, every swipe and tap feels incredibly responsive. And guess what? It's protected by Gorilla Glass 7 for that extra durability, plus it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. This smartphone features a triple camera setup that's nothing short of spectacular. The main camera is a whopping 200 megapixel with OIS support, ensuring your shots are crisp and blur-free even in motion. Alongside that, you get a 32 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 16 megapixel macro camera for those close-up shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 48 megapixel front camera that's ready to make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Operating system. Under the hood, the Nokia Magic Max 5G runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, ensuring you're ahead of the curve when it comes to software. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone can handle it all with ease. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, the Nokia Magic Max 5G doesn't disappoint. It packs a massive 7500 mAh battery that's built to last all day and then some. And with 90-watt superfast charging and USB Type-C support, you can juice up in no time and get back to what matters most. Price and launch date. Nokia Magic Max 5G is expected to be priced around $700, making it an absolute steal for the features it offers. As for the launch date, mark your calendars because this powerhouse is set to hit the market by the end of this year.